Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just enjoying the nice weather today. I'm outside. Just last week it was snowing, so this is pretty nice. Anyway, now that I'm home, I was in Philippines for about 5 months, and now that I'm home, it's time to work and save. And I'll pretty much do that by doing any job I can possibly find, like whatever comes my way. Anyway, someone asked me to cut down a tree yesterday, so I said yes, and I'm no tree expert, so here's that video. And if you are a tree expert, and if you see something I'm doing wrong or something I should not be doing, let me know, because I do want to get better at it. Anyway, here's the video, and take care. Don't forget to subscribe, because hopefully in the future I'll be making some more travel videos, but right now I'm just kind of working and saving. But alright, take care.
Says it's fine if it hits her car.
Oh, no, it ain't, because then she's gonna sue us.
Hey guys, I never cut down a tree before. Let's see what happens. This is my first time cutting down a tree. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Get that mixed out.
All right, I got an axe too.